All right, so now we're going to think about what happens if we compound more than once a year. So biannually would mean 2 times a year. Quarterly is 4 times per year. Monthly is 12 times per year. And daily is 365.25 days. 365.25 compounds per year. So first of all, we have to think about our interest rate. Well, our interest rate is normally an annual interest rate. So that means that if I'm compounding at 4% per year, that means it's 2% per biannual year, or I don't know what to call that, per biannuum, or it would be 1% per quarter. So my interest rate ends up becoming my yearly interest rate divided by the number of times we compound. Now, my exponent, I'm compounding more times a year. So if it's biannually, I'm compounding twice a year. So for every year, I compound twice. So that's why I multiply by 2. So this is how my interest rate changes. So let's look at an example of this. So I've got $15,000, so that's going to be my principal. That pays 4.25% interest, that's my R. Compounded monthly, so my N is 12. How much will her investment be after 5 years? So if I think about this, after 5 years, you'll have compounded a total of 60 times. So NT is 12 times 5, which is 60. And that means that over the 5 years, compounding every month means that I compounded 5 times 12. So my balance then is going to be 15,000 times 1 plus my interest rate, but that was the annual rate. So I have to divide it by 12 to make it a monthly rate, raised to the 60th. And then I'm going to get some approximate amount of money, and I'll leave that up to you to type it in your calculator. You can go look at the worked solutions to see the final value.